Robin Hood. You know, robs rich blokes for the benefit.
Oh, Robin Hood, I'll help you rob the rich and give it to the poor, and I'll stand guard if anybody comes and warn you, like this. You better come back in.
You precious old sweetie pie.
Why have you got that burglar